Hey guys, Don Powers here. Hey, in this video I want to share basically a mini testimonial of my 3 weeks in Heal. Obviously you came by the site, you've heard about Heal, you want to know more about it, and I'm going to give you my take on actually how it's affecting my life. A friend told me about Heal, and it's just the reasons why he went into it, because he's been through a lot of struggles and pain this last year, and I've been dealing with my own struggles over the past 3 years, going through a really bad divorce, losing all my kids through divorce it's horrible. But I wanted to listening to him tell me about Heal, what he thought it was, and he was new too. He just started. And I said, I'm gonna check this out. So I went in and I got the free account in the Heal, Discover Heal. I joined up to the web, the Facebook pages, started checking it out. And it truly is. It's not just a business opportunity. Sure, it can be a business opportunity, and you could tell people, and you're sharing your story with people, and you need people to be healed. I think you can't heal yourself. I know this for the last 3 years. I've tried to do it. God heals through people, and I know that's what He's doing today. Hopefully, He's using me to actually resonate with you on something I say. So today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Heal, and obviously, I got into it for the healing aspect. Yes, I am. Also telling people about it, and why not make some money to help me do these videos and all that kind of stuff, because you get the word out to other people. People need healing, and I know I'm talking to you that probably needs healing also. I need it. So in Heal, what I found is the community probably is it's not a community I have ever seen before. People are in here and so inspiring. Listen to their stories. It may be a story just like you have. There's been a few that I've listened to stories like me, and it's hard to open up. But when you're in a community of people just like you that want to heal, make their, develop their mind, get a better mindset, get physically in shape. All this is in Heal. It's all in Heal VIP. It's all in the programs that are in here. But the community of the people is probably the best thing in the whole program. It's the people. And I would say I would pay 5 times the amount if I knew they were around before, just to join a community like this. There is no other community like it. I have not found it, and I've tried. I've looked all over. But again, I'm going to try to make this video short. Please, and up here, there's going to be a link to Stephen Munson, who's the CEO of Heal, and please watch that. And also, there's going to be a link below to get your free account to Heal. Check it out. Watch the story of Heal. Listen to Stephen talk about how he started Heal. The company's been around for 5 years. But they just opened it up for people to actually start telling other people about. So I'm telling you about it. And I'm not telling you because it's a great business. It is. But I'm telling you because it transforms lives. Lives like mine. And I couldn't have done that without people in the community. The back office, or it's not called the back office, but in the VIP Heal, there is so many areas in there. And I think I have another video I'll share here too, where I go through the VIP Heal and show you all the things in there. And they keep adding things. So obviously that video that you see is 3 weeks old, and they've already added a bunch more. But I want to invite you, if you're somebody like me that truly is looking for the healing aspect of Heal, the developing a better you for this year and forward, this is what I'm asking you to look at it for. It's not for making money, which you can do, and I am making money at it, but I'm more interested in healing because I know what it feels like to be hurt and to be hurting. And this community is bar none above any other community of people out there. They are so uplifting and loving, and all you got to do is tell your story. Heal VIP will tell you how to, it'll show you the whole, every area of what you need to do. And the idea is to open up and help other people. And when you help people, you are helped. And they help you. It's just a healing community. Again, please, up here, I'm not sure exactly where it's going to be. There's going to be a little white box that comes up there. You just click on that. You can watch Stephen Munson's story. It's a very short 4-minute video. But again, I'm asking you that you check that video out. And also down below, there's a link for a free account for Heal. Join that. You have 24 hours basically to get the VIP at 50% discount. I would recommend that. I would recommend all of them. I have all the programs, but I would recommend VIP because it is so helpful. I Am Challenge is awesome. I got videos on that too, so please check out my site and all my other videos. But I am really trying to get to people to understand that this is not just a business opportunity, it's a healing opportunity, and you need to take advantage of it. So please, link below, get your free account, check out the story, connect with me. I got a link down below also on that. Subscribe to my channel down below, you'll see that, ring the bell, and check out Stephen's video right here, and comment below and let me know what you thought about it. I'll talk soon. Bye.